Hey, cardboard friends! Grab a box and get serious, cause now we are gonna make a box elephant.
An elephant? Do you have a box big enough for that?
Well, you can actually fit an elephant into quite a small box. But first, let's make a work drawing. Close up the box and glue down the flaps before we start. Now we can draw. Imagine this. How could a cardboard box turn into an elephant? Well, we need some eyes, a trunk, tusks, ears, arms, legs, and a chunky head. First, we move the drawing onto the box one side at a time. Let's start with two large round eyes. From there, draw a nice fat trunk. With one tusk on each side. And some wrinkles. At the bottom, the elephant has two legs with big feet and toenails. Next, a head at the top of the box. Now for the sides. Draw an ear and an arm on this side. And the same on the other side. At the back of the box, draw a tail. Now, grab a thick marker pen and go over all the pencil lines to make them strong and clear. You can also use a thin brush with some paint on it. Painted lines may look slightly better, but it takes more practice. So, we've finished drawing. And the box is really starting to look like an elephant. Now we are ready to
Paint!
And then we can paint it up in any color we wish. Let's start off with pure white paint. Use this for the eyes, tusk, and the nails. White looks really good against the brown cardboard, and sometimes I think brown and white is quite enough. A cardboard brown elephant could be just perfect. Just see how good the contrast is between the white and the brown. Now some more white on the nails. carry on with the next color. Mix up a thin brown with lots of water to make the paint transparent. Make sure you don't get any white in there, because then it won't be transparent. Now we can paint, but still see what's underneath. This is perfect for patches, shadows, and anything else which needs a darker brown color. The color goes lighter and even more transparent after it dries. Look here, all done! Now I can swap it for another elephant, also fully painted but completely dry. I've freshened up any marker pen lines I painted over with white paint. Isn't it fantastic? Now we have a great box elephant that we can play with. But if we want a bigger challenge, we continue with...
Cut!
Then it's time to cut out the parts. Ask a grown-up to help you. And then cut and fold out along these red lines. Head, ears and arms, trunk, and the tips of the tusks. And now, for the big moment. We open the box and bring it alive. First the head. Then the ears and the arms on each side. Next the trunk. Grab the trunk by the tip and roll it up so it goes nice and wrinkly. The tusk also needs folding out. But remember that only the tips were cut out. Otherwise they would have fallen off. Finally, fold the tail out. Oh, look at it! It's so cool! It can jump, dance, shake its arms and wriggle its ears.
It's as real as I am.
Exactly! You see, now we can move it around and play with it. Alright, let's see it one more time. Start off by drawing the elephant on the box one side at a time. First with a pencil, then with a marker pen. Next, paint with white to cover up the brown cardboard. And then with a transparent brown color. Then cut, fold out and open up the box. And it's ready to dance. You can also turn your elephant into a backpack. Cut out 2 thin strips of cardboard, fold some glue flaps and glue them onto the back of the elephant. Then open up the top, glue in some side panels for extra support, and you can fill up your new backpack. Box, how about you? Do you have any more ideas?
You can also use the same techniques to make other cool bags, like this shoebox shoulder bag, this goofy I'm good at this.
Hey, what do you think of my new backpack? Whoop. Oh, whoop. There are thousands of ways you could box yourself. Just use your imagination. See ya. Whoop, 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 hey, whoop, hey. Hey, pal. Do you know what keeps Box Yourself going? That is you. Because every single view and every single subscription help me to keep on making better and more videos. Thank you so much, and I really look forward to the next 1,000 ideas.